Alright chaps, it's time for another lever experiment once again. I have set up two levers over here, which are two aluminum bars, and they are resting on a sharp edge of a wooden block. So over here with a metal saw, I have made a little line. I sawed a little line here that can rest on the edge of this bar. The same with the other one. Alright, so these are the pivot points. These are the middle of the bars. And then I have a one mass placed twice as far from the pivot point and a two mass placed half as far from the pivot point. Alright, so when on the other end here, I've attached them with rubber bands. When I push them down, it feels like they both have the same weight, due to the fact that the two mass is only at half the distance and one mass at twice the distance. I don't feel any difference when I push them down. Okay, now, but according to certain people, when I push this one down, when I pull them down and I let them go, they will start to oscillate. And according to them, they will oscillate in exactly the same way. However, due to inertia, we always see that the one mass at twice the distance from the fulcrum will oscillate slower. So with the GoPro camera, I'm going to record the oscillations and see which one will oscillate faster. Well, the only problem with this setup is they will move sideways very quickly. I will pull them down completely to the bottom here, let them go, and then we will see which one will go down faster. But I can already show you a little example here. Oh man, crazy drivers here in the street. So I'm going to push the one mass to start with. I'm going to pull it a little bit down, and you can watch the rubber band, how it oscillates. So it goes like tuck tuck tuck, tuck 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 tuck. All right, let me show you like this. All right, now the two mass at half the distance. Doesn't that look like? Look at the behavior of the rubber band. It oscillates faster, doesn't it? Tuck 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 tuck. All right, now the two mass again. Da 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 da. Now both at the same time. That's kind of difficult, but as you can see, this is a little example. Now I'm going to show you some slow motion footage.